Oh, hi Marks, and what is up, fellow-litas? I'm back today with more actual J-fashion content. What are you doing, Petra? I think Petra wants to make another cameo. Come here, baby. I know, but if you don't want to be in my videos, you shouldn't hover around me looking so beautiful while I'm filming. Oh, okay. I love you too. Bye. Rio, you want to make a cameo too? What do you want to say to the audience, Rio? Yes, I do have two very similar looking cats. It just worked out that way. They chose me, I didn't choose them. Right now, as I am filming, yesterday was International Lolita Day and I did nothing for it. I've never celebrated. I don't know what is wrong with me. It looks like a lot of fun and there's always stuff going on. Just hasn't worked out for me, I guess. Today, instead of Lolita stuff, I'm actually going to be reviewing something that's kind of more general J-fashion inspired, created by a US-based designer, Mary Smile. Mary is a very talented person. I am a huge fan of her designs, and she is a friend of a friend who I have met in passing a couple of times through cosplay and convention events. So I absolutely jumped at the opportunity to get in on this Kickstarter that she was running for her Sakura Ita collection. And because these items are now available on her Big Cartel store, I thought I should probably review them as soon as humanly possible. I already get a ton of comments on the ita-bag, most recently used in my honey cake video, which is why it's still like this. But I also have the Mary Smile ita-pinafore in white with the matching heart window to this. I was very drawn to this new collection. It is Sakura, cherry blossom themed, a symbol very dear to my heart because it reminds me of when I was studying abroad in Japan and actually got to do hanami and go picnicking with the friends I had just made there while the cherry blossoms were falling. Because my previously purchased ita-pinafore is such a good fit for me, I'm very confident that the ita-pinafore in here is also going to be a great fit. However, I also got the matching embroidered beret, and what I'm most excited for in this package is actually the wintry pea coat, which I am just hoping and praying will actually fit me, because since the backer kit launched, I've actually put on a little weight. Also, my shoulders are just really broad as a baseline, so I don't really know what that's going to look like, but we're about to find out if it'll fit me or not. So really quick before I get into this, I just want to show you the cutest thing about this packaging. I think the letters in this message may have been put down by hand. It definitely put a smile on my face to see this. Even the tissue paper is flower themed. And it came with care instructions. Gently steam iron garments upon opening. Remember to cut the coat welt pocket thread open. Can do. And another little card. This one says, "Thank you for your purchase and support. It means a lot to me that you backed this campaign and helped make it so successful. I hope this piece put a merry smile on your face. Don't forget to tag @MarySmileCo with your photos. Sincerely, Mary." Will do. Right off the bat, this beret is giving me Cardcaptor Sakura vibes in the very best way possible. I'm about to live out my preteen shoujo fantasy here, yo. Here is the ita-pinafore in size 2XL. These are some straps with Sakura charms on the bottoms. These absolutely adorable bows. Oh my goodness. This is going to match my jeweled Sakura necklace from BB&B Deco so well. Should I just indulge and open this first? I think I'm gonna. So I got this in the 2XL. There is another size, which is 3XL that's available. This coat is like an absolute dream to me. I have seldom seen anything that is so cute and so feminine and also very sophisticated. It's so soft. And I have high hopes for the shoulder width after all. It is just stunning. Wow. The material is super duper soft. It is polyester based, so if you are not a fan of synthetic fibers, this might not be the coat for you, but it doesn't feel scratchy or super low quality like a lot of synthetics do. This really subtle embroidery and gradient on the lapel is just so beautiful. The pockets are currently sewn shut. I will have to open that with a seam ripper before I go outside with it. The back is super simple. It's got this little vented area at the bottom. The buttons on this are absolutely beautiful. I've certainly never seen anything like them outside of this. So one of the coolest things about this coat that I particularly wanted to draw your attention to, there are two clear pockets on the inside of the chest. And they seem like they'd be great for for, you know, storing contraband or putting your bus pass and ID. Or can you imagine wearing this and somebody tries to come for your nerd cred and you just go, boom, I've got this whole Ita pocket right here. All right, let's try it on. I love. So it does button up with plenty of room, but where I feel it the tightest is actually in my hips here. So I'm probably going to do the menswear thing of only buttoning the top button so that it fits me with more definition in the waist. I love how deep the V in the front is, and there's plenty of room for me without hulking out. I love it. So it is absolutely too hot right now, it being the very tail end of spring, but I cannot wait till autumn because I'm gonna wear this everywhere. And today I will at least get some shots of it with the rest of the outfit I put together, so you'll be able to see how it fits with the pinafore and everything too. Let's look at the other stuff. So these are not hair clips as I had originally thought, they are pins, which is great because this being an ita-pinafore, I could put the pins inside the dress if I wanted to, but I could also stick it on some straps or put it at the waist. But I actually may modify these to include hair clips on the back too, because oh my god, I would look like Madoka Magica and I must have this. I got some straps here with the little danglies. You know what I just realized these are probably for? These probably go in the Ita pockets of the straps of the pinafore. So let's open that up next. So the pinafore has a fixed waist in that it doesn't have any shirring or stretchiness, but it also has an invisible zipper, so it should be easy to get in and out of. The straps are adjustable at the back and all of the hardware is gold, which I think is super cute. The skirt is pleated, which I hope I have time to press before we go out, but I'm not sure I will. So apologies if I'm not doing it the most justice. The skirt does have pockets, and as I said, the straps have a little Ita window as well as the front, so you can put something in here, and I'm betting, okay, it took a little bit of finagling, but this did fit perfectly, and I believe that is how it is supposed to be worn. And I bet this can hold this top part to the strap very well too. And yep, this bow can be used to keep the ribbon in place in here, so I'm probably going to wear them both like this, but I will put the other one in off camera because, oh boy, that takes a while. And of course, here is the Ita window. It fits quite a lot of space. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in here just yet, but we will see what I find in my collection that matches the pink. And last but not least, let's peep this beret. Here is the beret out of its package, and it looks just like wagashi or something. It's absolutely beautiful. Total card captor Sakura vibes. Love it. Am I Tomoyo yet? We will see. Probably look better with my hair down. Whew, whew. Shout out to Stephanie of Epilogue Salon in El Cerrito for giving me this amazing haircut for the first time in over a year, and oh my god, I missed having bangs. I'm so happy. Oh yeah, I love it. I love it. Definitely have enough room in here to wear it with wigs too, which is great. All right, I'm gonna go get changed. I'll see you in a moment. Well, my fellow J fashionistas, this set has lived up to every expectation I had for it. From the quality of the embroidery on the beret and the jacket lapel, to the subtlety in the differences in color, to the fit and the comfort of this pinafore skirt, everything fits like a dream. Keep in mind, my bust measurement is about 116 centimeters and my waist is about 99 centimeters. And this is the 2XL for the jacket and the pinafore. This outfit is rather simple. Let's talk about what else I am wearing. The lacy pink socks are from the Lolita Collective. The necklace is the jeweled Sakura long style necklace from BB&B Deco. The pins inside the Eat It Pinafore are all my own design, handmade by me from my new collection. These styles were made with your feedback in mind, so thank you for that. The glasses and tank top are off-brand, and the shoes are off-brand from Amazon and decorated by me. And actually, I love wearing these shoes. They're a little hard to walk walk in because they're size 11 and I'm technically a 10 and a half, but I have so many great memories of these. I made them to enter the J-Pop Summit Festival fashion contest, and one of the Japanese models judging the contest saw it and said, "We'd never wear Sakura blossoms in Japan because we just don't have that kind of national pride, but we wear American flags and it's cool to see Americans wearing the symbol of Japan in the cherry tree." I felt very seen and I really enjoyed this project back in the day, and these shoes have held up pretty well for their age. I think I made them in like 2015? 2016? I don't remember exactly. Sometime in the mid-20-teens. Kenny also wants to make a cameo. Kenny! Show everyone that you are the cutest of all kittens. Well, at least she made her cameo. Okay, that's it. I'm taking off this jacket. It's too much. Much better. So I only realized once I got back home, but these bows on the straps should probably be installed upside down because of where the straps are on me. The way that I have them is with the longer pieces facing down towards the ends of the straps, but because of where they sit on my shoulders, I think they'd actually look best in reverse. In all honesty, I ended up choosing these magnet mirror pins that I made, not because I am trying to advertise them to you or because I thought they looked particularly good, but because I was struggling to put other pins on with these fake nails and I didn't want to bug my partner to help me. So you get more product placement. Hope it doesn't feel too much like shilling. Ugh. But yes, what else can I say besides this is an absolutely fabulous coordinate, and while I did pay less than the price listed on the website, it is absolutely worth that price. I feel so adorable. This is a great spring and summer staple that I'm going to wear a lot, and the beret and coat definitely make it also fall winter friendly, though I guess I'm just gonna let my head suffer through the heat because it's too cute to take off. And plus, with my long curly purple hair and the beret being so pink and cute, I feel like Tomoyo and Sakura finally had their lesbian baby. That was me. I will always ship that. I will go down with that ship, but I've been shipping it since I was a 12-year-old with sapphic tendencies, so there we go. So yes, while these items are still in stock, please go give Mary Smile a look. Maybe buy some of this stuff for yourself. I think it's worth every penny, and I cannot wait to see what Mary and her company come out with next because I am solidly a fangirl, and yeah, I will be eager to buy more of whatever she makes with the Ita pockets because I think they're just brilliant. So if you saw these designs and you were on the fence, just get off the fence, make the purchase, add to cart. And I want to reiterate that I was not paid to say any of this. I spent my own money on these things. I just want to be an evangelist for J-fashion brands that are plus size inclusive of my size and larger. Did any of these items particularly spark interest for you? Let me know in the comment section below and I will fangirl over them with you. If you found this video entertaining or informative or just plus size aesthetic inspiration, please do give this a thumbs up so that YouTube's algorithm knows that you liked it and it tells me that I should make more content like this. This is the first fashion thing I have ever done outside of Lolita content, so I'm really excited to see what y'all think of it, and if you're new here, welcome. Please do subscribe if you have not already because I'm trying to get to 800 subscribers by the end of June. If I can keep it up and get about 100 new subscribers per month, I will be well on my way to getting 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and it's something I've been working really hard on, so please do subscribe if you want to see more of my face. That's not why you're here, what? I have my cat on my lap and I don't know if you can tell. She's so beautiful. Kenny! Say hi, Kenny. Oh my. Alright, I think that's all I've got to say. I have been Elvira. You have been an excellent audience, but you always are. And stay tuned for more wrestling, Lolita, and I guess now J-fashion content in the future. Bye!